Yo, what's up? What's going on? What happened? New video, and today we're gonna talk about MetaMask, so let's get started.
So what is MetaMask? MetaMask is a software cryptocurrency wallet used to interact with decentralized applications. So let's see how we can install it.
First of all, you're gonna have to go ahead and search up MetaMask on Google. After that, you just click on the first link, which should be metamask.io. You go ahead and click on download now and then install for your browser. I'm using Chrome, so I'll install it for Chrome. Click on add to Chrome and then add extension. So we started off by clicking get started. You got two options. The first is if you already have a wallet, and for this tutorial we're gonna click a new wallet, since assumingly you're new to the space. Click agree to that, and now we're gonna have to set up our password. Our password can be changed in the future, and then just agree to the terms of service and then click create. Now, securing your wallet. This is a really important step. In the tutorial, you're gonna have to get a plane of paper and write off your security phrases for your wallet, because these gonna give access to your wallet and it's your responsibility to have them secured and not put them online. So make sure it's on paper, away from the internet. So after I click next, this is the recovery phrase. As you can see, click here to reveal the security code. I'm gonna reveal them for this video, but this is gonna be just a test wallet. This won't have any money. So here you have to confirm your recovery phrase one by one. So I'm gonna do that really quick. And then just confirm. And you're done. You just created your wallet. Just make sure to save your security phrase, and you don't have to worry about the password as it can be changed. Alright, so this is the home screen for the wallet. As you can see, you have account 1 and your wallet address, and you can also import tokens as you like. For an example, we got USDT and any other Ethereum tokens, and also you can add custom tokens. There is also a swap button on MetaMask where you can swap your Ethereum or other tokens. And now, as you can see, there is accounts. Currently we're using account number 1, and you can create a limited amount of accounts inside of MetaMask, and they all gonna be saved on the same seed phrase that you have saved on a plane of paper. So as you can see, account number 1 is different from account number 2, but if somebody has your recovery phrase, they're gonna have access to that. You have the hardware wallets where you can connect the hardware wallet. This is an extra layer of security, and the most popular are Ledger and Trezor. As you can see, there is networks. You can add other networks to MetaMask, such as Binance and Polygon, but the main network always gonna be Ethereum. Alright, so that just covers up the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and peace.